friends, neighbors, and countrymen. Okay, I decided to make a how-to video. Actually, I think I told you I was going to do this yesterday. This is my Honda Odyssey, and I could not get in and out of the hatch because it was so heavy. The shocks were bad on it, and it would not stay up. You couldn't even get in it because it would just close right on you. So anyway, I um, stole my son. He's the one holding it up. And I stole my son's girlfriend. She's the one running the camera. And we're going to show you how to install these struts that go on the back of this hatch. Now, mind you, the first one was trial and error because I've never done it, but the second one just popped right in. So, without further ado, I'm going to narrate because the wind was so bad that you couldn't even, you couldn't hear what we were saying. So, I'm going to narrate while I play it. So, let's play this and you guys can see how this is done. It's a 2007 Honda Odyssey minivan. It's the LX. Does not have the power lift gate. So, if that matters. Alright, so the struts were $45 each at the auto parts store. And I thought that was kind of expensive, so I went online and I got them from eBay for $25 for two of them. And that was a much more acceptable price because, as you know, I'm poor. I can't afford the expensive stuff at the auto parts store. So if I can get it on eBay cheaper, that's what I do. So this box come, and I think it took like 3 or 4 days to get here. It wasn't that bad. And it come with both of them in there. And all it is 2 retainer clips. There's a retainer clip on each end. Now what I didn't know, and I should have, but if you watch you got to pull so you got to pull this clip out, and let's see if my sister-in-law can get in there, or my daughter-in-law can get in there, and see that little clip right there. You just wedge it out a little bit, and I just popped it out a little bit, right like that, right there. And then it just pops right off. Now, what I didn't know is the new ones that I put on there, you didn't have to wedge that out like that. So I spent a good 5 minutes trying to get the new one on there because I didn't know when I you'll see right here, when I pulled this end out, it slid the other side in further, and it was blocking where the little knob goes. So I may have to fast forward to this because this was terrible. I couldn't believe I sat there that long trying to get that on there. Let's see if we can speed this up just a little bit. I don't want to mess things up here. Nope, it just started it over. Alright, we're just going to skip past this. Because we already got that one off. This is me trying to get the other one on. Let me see if I show you what the problem is here. Okay, see, like right in there? That clip is in the way of what needs to be slid on. Because I pulled it out, and I pulled it out the wrong way or whatever. So we're going to scroll on past this, and I'll show you the easy way to do this once I get done with that one. We're going to close the hatch here and try to figure it out. But I needed something to hold it up there because I wanted to work on that corner there. So we'll scroll on through here. Keep scrolling. Keep scrolling. Okay, this is where I realized that I was doing it all wrong, and I had to get that opening in there. So See, I still got the clip out, so that's not going to work. Yeah, this was quite the chore. Okay, so see, I finally got the clip in the right direction, and it just pops right in there. No issue at all, it's staying. So I get my son to raise the hatch. And only thing I had to do here was spin the bottom because it was not lined up right, you know, so I got a pair of pliers out and I just twisted it. I tried to do it with my hands, but you know, it just wouldn't do it. So you'll see me dig in here in a minute and get a pair of pliers. There we go. And no, don't put it on there. Put it on, there you go, plastic part. And just spin it a little bit. And I had Tyler pick up just a little higher. There he goes. And boom, right on. Just that easy. And now with just that one replaced, Tyler was able to let go a little bit, and it was able to hold it. It wasn't holding it all the way up, but at least he wasn't holding the whole weight of it. And so now that I got this figured out, let's watch how fast this next one goes. My camera girl, she's trying. Alright, so we're going to pull that pin, pop it out, pull that pin. Yeah, there's a little place for your screwdriver, see it? There you go, pop that off, that's gone. Now look, it's all set up, ready to go. You didn't have to do nothing, didn't have to pull a pin, nothing. Just pop right on. And then on the bottom I had to turn that one, which I knew I was going to have to. I get the pliers, and around it goes. And get Tyler to pick up just a little bit more. And popped it on. And ta-da! Nobody's holding my hatch. It was that easy. And there you got it, guys. All fixed. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope that helps somebody. Do not mess with the clips on the new ones. All you gotta do is just snap them right in. You move the clips on the new one, and you're gonna fight with it for 5 minutes like I did. So I hope that helps. And that's a 2007 Honda Odyssey hatchback shock strut replacement, and that's the non-power liftgate. Alright, I will talk to you all later. I hope that helps. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that